NDC from Pennyfubi. Edi woman psycho sign a soldier for who muchi.
Abuza from Mamu Yamakwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But all this will be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy enko message here.
Emma NDC from Pennyfubi. Edi woman psycho sign a soldier for who muchi. We mushaya a helicopter. I am the Kunyan Quenshaw or Boasan. After what the Chom Kunyans and Quenshiano. A NDC for the almost sign. And the Bonnie and no dear Tio my Ghana. And one sign on because sign and Brantia Bonnie knew or more. And this says sign could sound more the helicopter of Shabo. Because he would see or suffer. And no one say all the 16 regions are all my Ghana or Kobe could do now song. A C0nf3ssing assassin so. Konanson ko C0nf3ssing kate say NDC Y0uth Mahama ene NDC national chairman si edun ketia omo ne to nantwie ne de bre no okok odene nkwala akodi nanso a no a request for nantwie no on de oho no ma no de nantwie ne bukiam NDC for de nantwie ne bukiam no mo de abre no no de agye na kwankire. It is what if you say NDC buy if you 2025 and near my see woman gan the munyina ye hu bibi ebesibia ehu bibi ebesibia eye hu seka na ekonya nkwanhia enya nkwanhia amfa nipa abefo be more than 5 10 20 se wa hwe hu a eye bone a NDC Y0uth Mahama tintina ntwa no pese obedi oman ne so no bone a ye ti asase no eno hu nsunsuanso ne ye hu ne nei. Mimi a yentie de sofo no ene black rasta interview omo ye yen yentie de okae ne tie ro waso wo de tie
enti me boae
enti na po free ho no ena yewura doctor yaw adutwum ebae papa no so ba beto ade na po eye no so no osa de kon nani mo eme ehun se enwomesua be kon nanim yi a na say e was ye movie from the bia de ye di baba ne baba die no ne ye de ekọ de abel from quantum pond de tie ebusia mame kan kire ene adusua asesa first no na ye ka adusua na obia na adwen ne say ontra classroom nko a ene asesa ene obetimi atena wo fie na wasua de nyina wie enyoma asesa.
Waste management capacity improvement. Ebe cost Ghana about $55.2 million. Component 3, a participatory upgrading of targeted flood-prone low-income communities and local government support. And no cost in $58.8 million. Component 4, a project management. Cost near 9 million. And a component 5 near contingent emergency response component. And no cost near $65 million. Now, in 5 components in India, so when who any COVID-19 related expenditure be yes, there is nothing like that. Now, page 1 hona yentie near World Bank for Kai. ɛfa ɛyɛ project implementation no sɛ Ghana aban use sika no de yɛ neɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wɔde yɛ anaasɛ wɔn use sika no amfa anyɛ neɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde yɛ na emum ɔdivert sika no de kɔyɛ COVID-19 related expenses te sɛ neɛ Franklin Kuju ɛka wɔ Facebook na now wohwɛ paragraph 1.1 with the title development objective ɛhɔ na nsɛm no wɔ na maame kwan me ba bɛkan no ate ase yi tie ɔse the objective of the project is to improve flood risk management and solid waste management in the Odo River Basin of Greater Accra region, improve access to basic infrastructure and services in the targeted communities within the Odo River Basin, and to provide...
What do you want for assembly? One farmer sanitation bill. Anyawa, sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for one fan yeshi. Na uba obeje sanitation for. Na woje ye no. Anyawa, sako hwenra sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo Pad. Saka wide. Wo say Pad na na be ye bibia mo. Into to hwan form omo nye adwuma no. Wo de be man kro foforo. Wo farmer assembly. Wo farmer sanitation bio. Anyawa. Sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for omo fa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anyawa. Sako hwenra sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo Pad. Saka wide. Wo do say Pad na na be ye bibia mo. Into tukoso no wakisin nwe. Wo chire bia nkasa. Se wasa akoto alumi ababi. Na do train na okoto ye no. Ni de okwafa baaye. The same thing. Wasa akoto alumi, wasa akoto kafruban. Asa abakro mu habi. Ade na wo tete ho sa. Wono wa na kwa challenge. Train na masa akoto no. Minister of Highways and then. Your friend say train and hwan makoto aba no. Train dey say mon twitwa na alumi as soon as possible na mo nton mo behu. Now then dey asema. Is it that is incompetency or what? What if flighting? What if flighting mu na why say? Unkunwa wo baye. Seko
esese gomu afọ to abama wo. Na wo ba be ye MP. Na wo ba be di gomu afọ so. Wona wutime babontin be criticize nia government bi aye wonim say nia government ya ye yi e benefit your mind no much more than wo government na wo praise no oponi hia chipo oponi hia chi wo captain smart na si wunya MP a wo bedi Ebie na ewe MP mu. Se nye sika na wo ba be pa, wo die pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana. Dia na Captain Smart, obetumi a contribute ediama gomu afo. Obi onu timi ba bontin beka se MPP bete na so anye hwe. Obi a onu wa ba bontin antime me president MPP se MPP ba amambuami odin hihye bi odin nyoma bi se na odi gu akwam ma ne bo man Ghana wonim papa so wakata wani ka bone no okra oti unya MP obedi na napo category eno category eyepe insu atona asobi a wo so pese wo ye MP obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho insu atona yiri nkofo na asobi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so aka tena president John Mani Mahama se insu ato enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no wo gina
abusia ne obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem hunu won di atem no omo mbresen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no niminyansa bi na o ka no kora no nti wo mutie no omo bre Ghana for na o mutie Captain Smart no Omo no omo bread. Now you see about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman kwa. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasa asema Captain Smart kwatena TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya asem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Jene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the is because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospital and a go sound and no woman say. It is a Canadian saying and no man in Abaya. It is a scan of Canada was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my for. I comfort my facilitator is on the funded free seniors who some for. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to them colonel. I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians think common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian cannon to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ayen kitin ya adwen kitin ye bibi ye invest kwa ye kitin. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cry. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitin. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitin. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani ma say all members come to one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Rajon Dramani ma ko gina say and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they are kinking and we hear utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da and Onya Juma or da Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say oh the boy.
Or sister